Welcome to Spyder Auto's CCFL and LED halo and accessory wiring guide. Before we get started, you'll need a voltmeter with probes. This video will demonstrate how to connect CCFL halos, show you how to wire LED accessories, and help you determine what wires to tap for power. Here are a few basics. The best method for connecting wires is soldering. But if not soldering, using quick splice connectors or twisting the wires together will also work. Now for your vehicle. Start by turning on your park lights and hazard flashers. Okay, with the headlights removed, we have the bulbs hanging free. Locate the park light / turn signal bulb. On the ram, the bulb socket is easily disconnected from the harness. Disconnect the socket from the harness to expose the 3-terminal socket. You should have your voltmeter handy. Use the voltmeter's probes to determine which wire is the park light circuit, which is the turn signal, and which is the ground. In this case, our ground wire is already conveniently marked black, but be sure to verify as wire colors sometimes vary. Insert the negative probe into the black wire port, and use the red positive probe to test the other 2 ports to tell which is the park light circuit. If you've tapped the turn signal circuit, it'll yield fluctuating voltage readings, bouncing between low voltage and about 12 volts. On the other hand, the park lamp circuit when tested will yield a fairly constant voltage, around 12 volts. Based on our testing here, our black wire is the negative ground, the middle wire is the park lamp circuit positive, and the outermost wire is the turn signal circuit positive. Connect the black CCFL inverter negative lead to the black negative wire. The best method for connecting wires is soldering. But if not soldering, using quick splice connectors or twisting the wires together will also work. Connect the red CCFL inverter positive lead to the park light positive wire, which is the middle wire in this case. For LED halo models, you'll connect those to the park lamp circuit in the same way, just without an inverter. Now for the accessory LEDs, and LED halos if you don't have CCFLs. Twist the white LED wire leads together and then do the same for the black LED wire leads. Connect the white positive wires to the park lamp positive wire. Connect the black negative wires to the black negative wire. Now to connect the CCFL inverter to the headlight. Connect the white and gray wires from the CCFL inverter to the white and gray wires leading out from the headlight. Do not cut or splice these gray and white wires ever. Doing so will void your warranty. Then just continue your installation as normal. Hopefully, using the information we've provided here, you'll be able to do the wiring on your own vehicle. Thanks for watching and enjoy your products.